Hi everyone, Tom from VIP Security here, and today I'm going to show you how to change the name of a camera on your Dahua NVR or XVR. So first things first, you just want to right click, bring up your little sub menu, left click on main menu, navigate to camera and left click on camera. On the drop down menu on the left, select overlay, left click on overlay, then navigate to channel and select the camera that you want to change the name of. Navigate down to channel title and click inside the box where the name is and delete the current name. Now enter your new desired name for the camera. Once entered, left click on enter and then left click on apply. Now all we need to do is right click to navigate back to the live view. Once at the live view, double click the camera that you just changed the name of, and there you can verify that the name has changed.